ebuson o girl yoda mesuru ayi Eeii NDC Blögger ena papa yoda mesuru ayi eye parent akọ market ekoto ne ba ne mo de be ko school na ebusuya yenhwe girl ne video ne be wi e be hwe papa no so e de no
ko ye no wo ma mo ko da suku mu ho be tia borders no wo mu ni na no sika wo be hia de akototo ba nyoma no eye almost 2500 Ghana cedis and 2500 Ghana.
So ebusuya yenhwe papa no so video no embra
fine in bisakura mantam fine mantam na so mantam a ye hwede ye be no na nsa na school na nkasa so prescribe ne dia obeto ni oba kotua so atiase sisi ama end ma spend there say 4000 by school ni nwie yo so school no so dia be say 1002 edi se me kokotua
all right ebusuya one NDC girl no NDC so called blogger propaganda in throne or the name no obetwa ntro say okọ market ko busa ye no omo ko godin no omo boka 2500 onya ye gbemi unim 2500 na chop boss ne trunk na mattress cry saying papa ne se wa boka saying 40 million 4000 on ton wiye me say social media on se oti bibi o social media na se wa adwun wo form na wa ankoye researcher wo begun se wa jimi na sa video no again here me comment section na say MVP time it was very expensive onya ye gbemi ya market je ko ya market je oba na ke 2500 allo je 2500 ye ko market wo ko wa na obehu the man they tell you say he spend 40 million you no buy finish you make this useless girl where he no even get anything they can't lie you for media top say it be 2500 where you to believe this girl I they tell you say no be anything we go see for social media where you go believe am see obi papa no akọ market so ato ne man 40 million on ton wiye ama kwasini girl we na won feel we ka kire wo say Eeii koye 2500 obodam na auto boss ne tran cry saying ka kitra be ma beto ne top ne check saying ne pabo akro be she saying school ba wa ko Sunday check service saying ne sandals in buy ne canvas in buy ne won mu say am mama dwini nya adwuma you make this useless girl can lie you one real fact 4000 on we yo with the comment section no amanfo nka here omo so mobo eka this year wo mu na hwe na nipa da saniti mi twantro wa bra on dwene ho o twantro no anim say asem ya o kan ye ntro nanso da bi obekoso aiden twantro then a obenya a okoye video unim say asem a wo kan ye no kre unim pefe say asem a wo kan enye no kre ne enye no kre ochina unim but politics any ska cry NDC the amount wo dey come na see we makogina market twa ntro Ghana for nyina whilst you know say asema wo ka no kure ba ko say enimu what do you stand to gain what do you stand to gain? Because I don't understand the reason why you'd lie to people. Unim aman for bre. Unim aman for ben our prospectus no chale. Things were there inside and yana market wa. In your prospectus mu this year. Now unim the extra, but you only something okay say no. Prospectus are John Dramani Mahama buying the abano. You wouldn't believe say obi or the $300 million. Aqua cra a year pad. Edi abase or the baba be ma yen kola ya yenwanum ba ya omoko school no ASS ni JHS no na o ma yusu na so many wo ka say nipa omoko school this year form 1 for no unim say prospectus e de mo no omo top pad e wo mu won so yam ahyew won say wo yam ahyew yes omo top pad top pad. But this government has spent $300 million when you see this dollars so they call crap pad and be ma girls now watch your pad na mambo e mema kwa the pad ni bobo so be kai that video na boys need the pad ni bobo na enne including ba be ko school na freedom prospectus by na ko hwe a you see the on top pad mienu on top pad mienu it mama pad na o share boss o de ba no e wo yinfa e wo yin mama pad na o share boss e o de ba no e wo yinfa ibusaw and you think you are doing someone, bro, you are doing yourself. You are doing yourself. If you believe in the NDC so about my free education, no, about be free on touch, because the perception in you say, I was saying can people say free there, be free. What but damn, a damn now abo. Time now, odo ba ko school now to your school fees no. So to your school fees, ni na school ni chow. A prospectus ni mu man kan won. Now ko to your school fees ni wia. O job boss, o trunk, o mattress, o pillowcase, bed sheet white, any normal bed sheet, o car kitra, o sandals, o canvas, o shoe for church, Emma mo predec, any cutlery set, plates, any o unkun o seminar, any sanema na be use no, any aso, se kind. Those things in that school no edema won, and you sit down for Christiana Wuni or no school da to come and tell you say there was saying bibia ye free ntin say what talk boss net trunk there and they free. Now what take Christiana Wuni big acquace now wait here what is the name of the other guy big acquace Christiana Wuni ena kum chacha ena nana ye boa we mo mun school da no. They were the one advising you on education. Here's a quattro to be found to man. See anything quattro. Also, no be found to man. I brought on to me friend home to my you. Also, no be found to man. And you believe in that person because you are trained or form. What dream or form? What dream or form? That is why you believe in that person and say, on the about be free education, I'm yes in the buy. And I'm at say STEM school no this year and I drop it. Because this government has no idea about how the STEM even came about. You don't have any idea about it. Now you this girl, I'll be trying to throw the children Ghana for. What would you gain? What will you gain? That's the question. Why would you lie to Ghanaians? Knowing that the Awokano enyenokre, why would you lie? Because you have been paid to come and misinform the public. Misinform the public. And these people promised, say, oh, baby, they've lied to you. I'm telling you. So don't ever think say NDC nearby no ko baby biama so let's show them there so adwene fi na ko yifi otim because NDC e atro ebuso ya nurse na teacher ni dia oduru na mentwam so wonua bi o nurse na teacher share sa video fa koma no aka kire nse me no ka say die asem aba esan say minister for labor eye Rashid Papo da beto abonten say sa aban na ka said nurses any teachers for eye 144,000 no say or for modwuma mu dia ebusuya and they na assembly. Now can you say employing all the 144,000 outstanding teachers and nurses will consume 47% of revenue. That is our minor revenue no. So mo ka some employ most nurses and teachers na motifie ne dia. E be take 47%, which means they are not ready to employ you people. So the 133 and I say 311 and 133 24-hour economy no we send the city be fake into me kra hu yasem yeden me chegu metrim but 24-hour economy am ka say one job no me ensa be 133 on and 311 whatever or say what nurses need teachers for no 144,000 na motifie no so ka so mo be employ mo boy Ghana revenue no emu 47% emu half ebesa enu tinatche so when person kira say there is no hope. Sorry, nurse and I teacher near. There is no hope say Baba employer. And to the Miami sisters, because my sisters you know, teachers for Maria osanka employ omo this year September year twa mu ni cause omo your service we ya omo na osanka employ mu ni ye employ ne ye business ni nso ye nurses a omo nso me 2021 for and 2022 omo nso ye employ mu ye so mesra mo wa she papa se me kan kire mo say sanda ne mani say ne de eye asem o ka obu be o kire wo say emfa enti no eyezu o de am mfra me na ebedi komo why eyezu